Keyboard.
A keyboard has 104 or 107 keys. We type using these keys. Look at different keys of a keyboard.
Alphabet keys. We type letters, words and sentences with the help of alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on the keyboard. Number keys. We use number keys to type numbers. They are also called numeric keys. There are 10 number keys. Special keys. There are some keys that are used for special purposes. They are called special keys. Space bar. Space bar is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give a blank space when you type words, letters or numbers.
There is nothing written on the spacebar key.
Enter keys. We press the Enter key to start a new line or a paragraph. It takes the cursor to the next line. It is also known as Return key. Backspace key.
Backspace key is used to erase alphabets and numbers on the left side of the cursor.
Delete key.
Delete means to erase. Delete key is also used to erase alphabets and numbers. It erases the alphabets and numbers one by one to the right of the cursor.
Arrow keys. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor up, down, right and left.
These keys are also known as cursor control keys.
Caps lock key. When we press caps lock key, all the letters we type are converted to capital letters. A small light turns on when we press the caps lock key once. This small light means that the caps lock key is on. You can press the key again to switch the caps lock key off. Shift key. Shift key is used with the other keys for different purposes. If you press and hold the Shift key along with an alphabet key, it will type that letter in capital, even when the caps lock is turned off. There are 2 Shift keys on the keyboard. When caps lock is off, Shift plus B, capital B. When caps lock is on, Shift plus B, small b. Symbol keys. Keys with special signs and symbols on them are called symbol keys. Some symbol keys are to the right of the alphabet keys such as slash, colon, inverted comma, greater than, smaller than, etc. Some symbols are also placed over the numbers on the number keys such as colon, exclamation, at the rate, hash, dollar sign, percentage, asterisk, etc. We type the symbols by pressing the Shift key and the symbol key together.